Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is my drone, my DJI Mini 4 Pro. I had the 3 before, but this is the Pro. This is my baby right here. I usually use it, during the summertime a lot. I try not to use it during the winter time. For obvious reasons, condensation and stuff like that. You don't want water in the propellers. I got 3 batteries. I've experimented a lot with this. The video that comes out of this is amazing, but I don't I haven't showed you guys, but I will. I'm gonna start showing it. This thing is just amazing. It follows you. It does a lot of different tricks without you having to press a button, and follows the car. I've driven and used it while driving, which is kind of dangerous. But this thing is amazing. You guys should definitely get yourself one. It is a bit costly, but trust me, this is the best starter-friendly drone. You guys will be seeing more videos from me. This is just a test that I'm running. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.